guys, welcome back to another wig review video. In this video we will be checking out another package from one of my favorite hair suppliers, RPGSHOW. So if you're interested in seeing what they sent us this time, please keep on watching this video. And guys, remember to download the Link app, the fast and easy way to safely send and receive money on your mobile phone. Available both on Google Play and the Apple Store. Also, follow them at Link Jamaica on Instagram.
Boss.
Anything TANAANIA touch that I feel. Boss, that I feel.
Yes guys, as I was saying, we received another package from RPGSHOW. Now I'm always excited to get hairs from them because their quality and their lace is just amazing, and they always have some really nice goodies in the box. So let's get into the unboxing of this wig from RPGSHOW. Now, of course, they sent us a set of wig caps. Can never have too many of those. They sent us their RPGSHOW hair card and also where to find them on Instagram and their socials. And of course, inside the care card, we have the order information. Now, this is an off hair, right? The texture is silky. The length is 18 inches. The hair color is ombre, right? Cap size is medium. 13 by 6 glueless lace front wig. 200 density, right? I told you RPG does not play. And it's tinted, transparent, Swiss lace in medium brown. Again, in the box we have their Say Goodbye to Frizzy Flyaway Edge Tamer. This is one of the best edge tamers I've ever used. Also, it's not greasy, it's not sticky. But let's get into the main feature of this video, which is gonna be our off hair 002 wig. Now let's get the netting off so we can reveal the beautiful silky texture of this wig. My babies, look at this. As I was telling you, RPGSHOW has quality. So they've already curled the hair. So when you do get this wig, you just pop it out of the bag, remove the netting, and you just cut your lace and you are gone. Look at that, guys. Let's do a close-up. All right, guys, now look at this wig. I'm gonna include all the information for this wig in the description box and also on the screen. But look at this. As I said, guys, it is an ombre color and this is 18 inches. The quality is to die for. The inside of the cap is of course well constructed. So they have a clip towards the top, one to the back, clips on the sides, an elastic to further fasten the wig to your head, and of course the bra strap elastics towards the back. Now let's get into putting this wig on our head and seeing exactly what this Ophelia style looks like. Now guys, again, the quality. Now this is what the wig looks like when I put it on my head. I have done absolutely nothing to this lace. As you guys see, I'm gonna take it out of the box and put it right on my head. I'm gonna do nothing at all. And look at the quality of the lace. Look at the quality of the parting. It's already parted so beautifully and just ready to be worn. Again, this is 18 inches off hair 002. I'm gonna go ahead with my scissors and cut the excess lace and just use a little bit of got to be glue because again, this is a 13 by 6 glueless unit. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut the front of the closure and give it some got to be glue to just secure it a little bit to my head. All right guys, so this is what the beautiful wig from RPGSHOW looks like. Now as you saw, I went in with just a little bit of got to be glue, you know, applied it to the lace, cut the excess lace, and then went in with my comb and my wax stick and my hot comb and just flattened the top a little bit. I have done absolutely nothing else to this hair more than just comb it out a little bit and ran my fingers through it, not even a little bit of oil, and I must say the quality is amazing. And look at how the curls are already formed. It came curled guys, as I was showing you. So this is what it will look like when you make the purchase from RPGSHOW. Now of course, let me give you guys the final look. Right guys, so this was the off hair 18-inch wig from RPGSHOW. Of course, this is their transparent twinted cis lace, beautiful lace that took absolutely little to no effort to install. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below so you guys can check out this wig and all the other wigs that RPGSHOW has to offer. Now of course, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Comment below, how are you loving this ombre wavy wig? Subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys next time. Bye.